Hi, this is Paul from Foresight Tech. In this video, I will show you how to find the mean of a probability distribution using Excel. Here is the question. We need to find the mean of this probability distribution, which means we need to find the population mean. Excel does not provide a function for us, so we have to use the original formula to do calculation by ourselves. Here's the formula for the population mean. We have x, we have px, we have k. What does it mean? K is the number of possible values of x, which means how many possible values. So in our example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So k is 5. x1, x2, xk are the possible values of x. Okay. In our example, which is the first rule, the data in the first rule, right? Px are the corresponding probability, which is the number in the second rule. Look at the formula. So x is here, and the px is here. So that's a product, right? The second is another product, and the product, which means that's the product, the sum of products. Okay, we do have a function in Excel, so we call sum product. Okay, so we can find the sum of product directly. Let's put data. So x I put in the column G, and the px I put in the column H. Okay, so x here, px probability up here. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So px is 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.2, and 0.1. Okay, let me put the mean here. The formula, the function, which is sum product, and then sum product of this x highlight, and then comma, and px highlight, and then parentheses. That's the formula, and then enter. Okay, so our mean is here. Thank you.